Welcome, I am Kevin Cabingo Ramos from BSHM2I. This is my video about table service sequence.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to BTech Restaurant. Do you have any reservation with us?
Yes, I have.
May I know your name?
Elise Panarigan.
Okay, Miss Panarigan. Let me just check our system. We have prepared a nice table. Is this way. Okay, ma'am. Your server will serve you in a while. Hi, ma'am. I'm Kevin Cabingo Ramos, your server for today. It is my pleasure to serve you. Ma'am, would you like some bread?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, here's our menu. Let me know if you want to order.
I cannot choose. What is your bestseller?
For bestseller, appetizer, 40. For appetizer, 50. For soup, pumpkin soup. For salad, potato salad. For main course, fish fillet. For wine, white wine. Dessert, ice cream.
Okay, I'll have all of it, but no dessert.
Okay, ma'am. Let me repeat your order. Appetizer, fish stick. For soup, pumpkin soup. For salad, potato salad. For main course, fish fillet. And for wine, white wine. Okay, ma'am. Can you wait for 15 minutes to serve your food? Ma'am, this is your appetizer. Ma'am, are you done? Thank you. Ma'am, here's your soup. Ma'am, are you done? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is your potato salad.
Thank you.
Ma'am, are you done with your salad?
Yes.
How about your bread?
Yes.
This is your main course. May you introduce this wine from Florence, Italy. 0% alcohol, vintage, April 2006. May I pour your wine? Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Thank you. Are you done with your meal?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your meal. Please come again.
Thank you.
Thank you.